Hello and welcome back, everyone. After a lot of requests, we are excited to bring you the latest updates from the October 2024 Pixel drop. There's so much to cover, so let's get right in. First up, Gemini Live Chat is here. This feature is available on all Pixel buds, including the Pro and a series. You can activate it by simply saying, "Let's talk." This allows you to have real-time conversations with Gemini, and you'll even feel haptic feedback during your interactions. It's a game changer for hands-free communication. Next, we have an enhanced night sight mode for Instagram. If you're a fan of nighttime photography, you'll love how this feature improves your shots, making those low-light moments look stunning. Just remember, it's available for Pixel 6 and newer devices. Speaking of updates, the weather app has also received a makeover for the Pixel 6. You'll find it more user-friendly and informative, making it easier to plan your day. Now, let's talk about underwater photography mode. If you have the Pixel 9, 9 Pro, or 9 Pro XL, this feature is tailored just for you. It automatically detects underwater scenes, enhancing both photo and video quality, and adjusts colors for richer visuals, perfect for capturing those underwater adventures. On the security front, there's a new FFT protection suite that includes offline device lock and remote lock features. This means if your device detects sudden movement, like someone snatching it, it will lock the screen to protect your data. Plus, you can lock your device remotely without needing to sign into your Google account. Another cool addition is the ability to adjust individual voice volumes in videos. This lets you control sound levels for clearer audio, ensuring that your recordings sound great. For those of you with a Pixel phone and tablet, you'll appreciate the notification syncing feature. If you dismiss a notification on one device, it will automatically disappear from the other. And speaking of tablets, the Pixel tablet has some updates too. You can now access widgets directly from the lock screen, enjoy new clock screensavers, and share photos directly from the photo frame screensaver. Last but not least, the Pixel Watch also received updates. There's a new individual contact profile feature, and you can now send emoji reactions in the Gmail app. Plus, the pulse detection feature is now available in additional countries, including Belgium, Italy, and Spain. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends. We'll see you in the next video, and until then, goodbye.